The blockchain as a content creation destination? What? That's right, folks. My name is Jennifer Navarrete, and I have been talking about creating content on the blockchain for almost a year now. And I've been doing it for that long, even a little longer, but really actively recently in the last year. So I have been asked several times to create a workshop, to create a way for folks to learn the ins and outs, to kind of get their toe into the stream in a comfortable, safe space. So I have done exactly that. If you will click on the link that's in the description, you will see that I have created social media and the blockchain podcast, but I've also created crypto content creators and I've created the blockchain creators community on Twitter. So I'm kind of in this space quite a bit. So I've got this workshop, how to create content on the blockchain, and it's a way for you to have an understanding of what the blockchain has to offer you as a content creator, talking a little bit about where to go, how to create content there, what the reward system looks like, best practices, lessons learned along the way. I'll give you my lessons learned, so hopefully you don't have to do any lessons learned. And it really breaks down into two parts. It's a 4-hour workshop. In part one, we're going to give the educational component to this session, to this workshop. And what that means is that you're going to learn why the blockchain is a great space for creators, how creators can benefit from the blockchain, what do you need to do in order to join the blockchain? Is it a safe space for you as a content creator? Who owns the content on the blockchain, and how do the rewards work on the blockchain? Now, in the second session, which is going to be in the last hour, we are going to go onto the blockchain and help you create your accounts and help you create your first post. Now, I will say not everyone may be comfortable. Maybe they want to come in and they want to learn and they want to get a sense of what this has to do, and that's okay. But if you do want to take part two, if you want to take action, that last hour is for you because we will go onto a blockchain and I will help you create your account. For those who decide not to take that next step, you do have a 30-minute session with me in the following week because this workshop is on the 11th. In the following week, we will have a 30-minute session where we can kind of talk a little bit about what you've learned and answer any questions that you have. And if you're ready to take action, then we can schedule a time for you to take action. Anyway, I hope that this has been helpful for you because, again, you all asked and I responded, and this is what I've created here. It is on Friday, March 11th, a week from today. You can join the workshop. It's at 12 p.m. Eastern to 4 p.m. Eastern. Adjust your time accordingly. And yeah, I think this is really where it is. If you want to listen to the micro podcast that I created, you can go to social media and the blockchain. The link is in the description of the event. If you want to see the videos that Shane and I did back in the summer of 2021, you can look at the Crypto Content Creators YouTube channel. And if you want to join the Blockchain Creators community on Twitter, you're welcome to do that. Again, I feel like now is a great time to start your education, to begin the learning process, to develop your community around this space and learn more about what it takes to be a content creator on the blockchain. I think once you kind of get a sense of what it is, how you can participate in it, and what you have to gain from it, that you'll be ready to jump right in. If you have any questions, reach out to me. I'm at ePodcaster both on Web 2 and on Web 3. Wishing you well, and I hope to see you next week.